Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe to your Shopify account, right? So basically, this is my Shopify dashboard. In the bottom left side corner, you will see the settings. So just click on that. And after that, guys, you will see the option which is called payment, right? So just go over the payment and here, this is the payment and here you can set everything, whatever the payment gateways you want to add to your Shopify store. So here you have to click on choose a provider, and as you choose the provider here, it will load for a few seconds and basically it will lead to a new page, and here you have to search Stripe, right? So there are so many providers you can see here. So basically we will search here Stripe, right? And we will select the Stripe and it will take for a few seconds, right? And it will lead to the a new page to the Stripe. And basically for that, here you can see have a Stripe account, you can use the same email address. So here you have to enter the email address. For example, if I just enter my email address here, right? And after that, if you don't have a Stripe account, that's not an issue, you can just make it from here. Then just click on the continue, and after that you have to enter the password, and here you have to just log in, right? And if you don't have an account, you can just go to your Stripe website, and there you can just make an account, and after that you can connect to the Shopify, and after that it will work perfectly fine. So let's go into the Shopify dashboard once again, and here let me show you. Here you can see, for example, if I just go to the payment here you will see so many other providers, for example this PayPal and everything. So here you can attach a PayPal and all that. Here you can add the if you need a cash on deliveries, everything. So this is it guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.